Here I've got OPPO A5 2020, and let me show you how to speed up the following device. So at first you have to open the phone manager, which is here. Click on OK to permit the statement. And now let's start with performing a virus scan. So click on virus scan. And now just wait until it's done. So if any virus will be detected, then you will be able to delete it, which will definitely speed up your phone. And as you can see, anything has been found, so your phone is in a good state. Click on done to finish the scanning. And now you can go to clean up storage. You can free up some space by deleting some unnecessary files. So click on clear all. And then you can also delete some app and cache data. So click here, mark all the stuff that you would like to delete, and then tap on delete. Confirm it by tapping on delete. And as you can see, everything has been removed. So let's go back. Now you can also optimize your device by tapping on this green tab in the middle of the screen. And as you can see here, you've got all the operations that would be performed, and then tap on optimize. Wait a couple of seconds. And this is it. As you can see, just click on done. And now your device is in perfect condition. If you'd like to rescan it one more time, smoothly click on rescan and wait a couple of seconds. And this is it. This is how you can speed up your device. It will work definitely faster. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.